Welcome back, Nadeem but channel. Subscribe to visualize the topic in spiritual depth.
Festival outfits for women, unleash your inner boho queen. Welcome to our exciting blog post all about festival outfits for women. As the music starts pumping and the sun sets on a lively festival scene, it's time to let your inner boho queen shine. With vibrant colors, flowing fabrics, and eclectic accessories, festival fashion is all about expressing your individuality and embracing a carefree spirit. In this vlog, we'll guide you through a variety of head-turning festival outfits that capture the essence of the event. Get ready to dance the day away and create unforgettable memories in stunning ensembles that will make you the star of the festival.
Boho chic, embrace the free-spirited vibe. Channel your inner bohemian goddess with enchanting boho chic outfits. In this section, we'll explore flowing maxi dresses, breezy skirts, and loose-fitting tops adorned with floral prints, embroidery, and fringe details. Discover the perfect mix of comfort and style with these dreamy outfits that effortlessly capture the carefree festival spirit. Denim delight, rock the casual cool look. Denim is a festival staple that never goes out of style. From denim shorts to distressed jeans, this section will showcase the perfect denim pieces that exude a cool and casual vibe. Explore creative ways to style denim jackets, overalls, and high-waisted shorts with crop tops and statement tees. Unleash your inner rock star and let denim become the foundation of your festival wardrobe. Bold and bright, make a statement with color. Festivals are the perfect opportunity to embrace vibrant colors and bold patterns. In this section, we'll dive into the world of eye-catching prints, neon hues, and tie-dye masterpieces. Discover playful rompers, jumpsuits, and co-ord sets that will ensure you stand out from the crowd. Embrace your adventurous side and let your festival outfit become a work of art.
Accessorize to dazzle, the power of festival accessories. Complete your festival look with dazzling accessories that elevate your style to the next level. From wide-brimmed hats and bohemian headbands to statement jewelry and funky sunglasses, this section will highlight the must-have festival accessories that add a touch of glamour and whimsy to your outfits. Discover the perfect fringed crossbody bags and comfortable yet stylish footwear to keep you dancing all day and night. Go with the flow, effortless maxi dresses and jumpsuits. Maxi dresses and jumpsuits are festival favorites that offer both comfort and style. In this section, explore flowing silhouettes, lightweight fabrics, and stunning designs that effortlessly capture the essence of summer festivals. From floral prints to tribal patterns, these versatile pieces will make you feel like a bohemian queen as you sway to the music. Conclusion: festivals are not just about the music, they're also a celebration of personal style and self-expression. With the featured festival outfits and accessories, you can unleash your inner boho queen and make a fashion statement that reflects your unique personality. From boho chic to denim delight, bold and bright to effortless maxi dresses, there is a festival outfit for every taste and vibe. So, embrace the free-spirited atmosphere, let your creativity soar, and create unforgettable memories in stunning ensembles that capture the magic of the festival. Get ready to dance, sing, and reel in your stylish glory as you immerse yourself in the vibrant world of festival fashion. Check the price of each suit on Amazon now. Links for all suits are in the description.